I'm 30 from EJC and I'm from the class of 2020. What I really liked about the ETG program was that Mr. To gave us quite a lot of practices in class, which was something that our school didn't really give us because there wasn't much time during tutorials or lectures for us to do it. And that includes time practices, which were very crucial for our time management during the A-levels. Oh, I think he's hilarious and he's quite inspiring. On my first year at ETG, when there were physical lessons, right, I found his lessons very entertaining, and it was also quite interesting because he liked to bring in interesting examples from outside of lessons and also let us watch movies. So he introduced us concepts that were outside of the curriculum. So it really brought in a new dimension to econs at the JC level, and which I really enjoyed. And this really developed my passion in econs, and I also want to take it at the uni level. I like the fact that Mr. To teaches the lessons in advance so that we have more time to understand the concepts during the school lessons as well, so that we have more time to actually digest stuff that was taught, and it really helped to solidify my understanding of the concepts. I actually prefer the physical classes, even though I don't attend so much after COVID anymore because the classes were small, and it was also more convenient to attend it from home because you can just go on to the next activity as soon as tuition ends. But I would say that the physical lessons were more engaging. The Essence workshop was good because we could cover a lot of content within a day, which I found very helpful, especially when we had limited access to other resources from other schools, because sometimes they refuse to release certain parts of their answers or they release it late. So it's inconvenient for us when we revise. Yes, I'll recommend ETG to my juniors, but I don't know. I can't think of any particular junior on the top of my head right now. Mr. To is a really fun teacher. He explains stuff patiently and with clarity, and I hope that you will actually find econs interesting with him, and it will develop your passion for econs past academics and into your own lives.